Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A glorious Cosmic Grey EP3 in the house. I love Cosmic Grey. Did I say that it was my favourite colour on an EP3? I think I did. If you follow this YouTube channel, you know that. But yes, this one's arrived on a trailer. It's got some RDX injectors fitted to it. He's just done some spark plugs, and it's got cams, I believe. So we're going to go through this now. It's going to go up on the dyno, and because it's got the RDX injectors, there's no bass run this morning. We've literally got to just start by tuning it and put a file on it for those injectors before we can run her up. So here we go, guys. Cosmic Grey EP3 in the house. Probably already heard, this one hits VTEC hard. It sounds incredible. It's a Honda, so it needs oil. You've got to stay on top of your oil. You've got to use quality oils. And a place to get your quality oils from is worldoflubricant.co.uk. You could drop a Dyno code, so DYNO, at their checkout, and that will save you a load of money. And you can spend your money on additives if you want, but ultimately you'll save some cash. They are quick at turning around orders, so they'll dispatch it directly to you pretty quickly. Great customer service, great knowledgeable team. So go and check them out, worldoflubricant.co.uk. Richard, did I mention that Cosmic Grey is my favourite colour EP3?
I think you mentioned it before.
I have mentioned it.
I think you have mentioned it. I
love it. It's got a carbon fibre bonnet. I've got to be careful because I've got shorts on today.
Oh, got shorts on.
Got shorts on. Yeah, what a beautiful car. Now, it's got some proper mods, ain't it?
Yeah, it has got some proper mods on it. I think probably where this could make a little bit more power is a better manifold. I think it's just got the cheaper 4-to-1 manifold on it with the smaller collector.
It has.
You
could even modify that.
You could modify it to 3-inch, for example, or whatever. But it's got a 3-inch exhaust on it, so good mods. It's got Skunk2 Pro Series Inlet Manifold on it. It's got a Dynodaze Induction kit. Ultra Series, sorry, beg your pardon. A Dynodaze Induction kit, and I think it was on stock throttle body.
No, rated throttle body.
No, rated throttle body. Right. So it's sort of a really good round of mods. I think that it finished on 243.
Cams and injectors, isn't it?
Cams and injectors in it as well. So an absolute good round of mods. The Skunk2 cams are good. They make power. Just in my opinion, where they lack to the drag cartel is they don't make power until 6,000. So if you try and bring the cam in too early, you just get a massive dip in the mid range, and they just don't like it. If you're the sort of person that wants to gain mid-range power, then the Skunk2 drop-ins are not for you, as far as I'm concerned.
We do like the drag cartel stuff.
Yeah, the drag cartel stuff. You can bring them in at around about 5.250, and they'll make power there, and they're not got so much of a problem. Whereas these Skunk2 cams, we laid at 5.250, 5.5, 5.750, 6,000, and at anything below 6,000, you're just losing power in that mid-range.
It was making more power in those instances on its lower cam.
On its lower cam, yeah. So hence why I was saying we're not going to bring it in till 6,000. But if you're driving the car and you want your VTEC in earlier, then like I'm trying to explain, they're not the set of cams for you. Then go for a drag cartel set. You can still drop it by 1,000 RPM and make power. So
this dropped some almighty bombs.
It did drop some bombs.
Launch control with flames on this is pretty spectacular because it's got a downward swept tip, and it's it's really coming to life. I like that bit, don't I?
Yeah, you do. That's your favourite bit, isn't it?
It is.
Well, I don't really get sick, so I'm sat in here.
It's probably why I'm deaf.
I'm blind.
I'm blind, yes.
I don't think you can blame the blind on that, though.
It depends how close you get to that flame.
Well, true, I suppose.
But yeah, what a wondrous car. Absolutely lovely. Arrived here as a non-runner, obviously on a trailer. And yeah, what a car. Absolutely love it.
I think you'll be over the moon with that. Should we have a look at that graph?
Let's have a look at the graph.
Well, as I've just said, it came in as a non-runner, so we've only got our final graph here. And yes, we have finished on 243 brake horsepower, 202 at the wheels. It's still pretty warm here today, but this is an awesome car. We sell all manner of parts for an EP3, including our Dynodaze Induction kit, Skunk2 Ultra Series Manifolds, if anyone can bloody get them at the moment. Yeah, great car. So if you need cams or injectors or anything like that, give us a shout. If you want us to help you plan your build, again, that's a great way of doing things, because before spending money on leaf eaters and Pro Series inlet manifolds, let's talk about what parts are actually going to function the best at what point in your build. This has got a great exhaust system on it. There are many exhaust systems out there. We're obviously developing a Piper 3-inch exhaust system as we speak, so there's always plenty of options. You know, the Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system for the EP3 is a great buy, great value for money. But if you need anything like that, then give us a shout. When you're ready for mapping, you know where we are. But Cosmic Grey, love it. Absolutely love it. Love seeing stuff in the paint shop, Uncle Keith's paint shop. Love seeing Cosmic Grey there as well. It is beautiful colour. But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Richard? He's gone.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.